Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing. I took the plunge and purchased me a vanity mirror with the Bluetooth feature. So here you will be seeing me unboxing it and also putting everything together here on my beauty station, desk area, whatever you want to call it. Again, if you've been following my channel for some time, you would have known that I did do a DIY type of vanity look. So again, I have had that for over a year now, so I wanted to treat myself. So yeah, you guys, I am super excited to share this with y'all. So again, enjoy. Okay, as you can see, I was installing the light bulbs to my, like I was saying, I was installing the light bulbs to the mirror. And here I have the Reigncharm mirror. This is Bluetooth. I will show you that in a minute. Like I was saying, here is the dimmer switch where you can, okay, here is the full brightness, and then here it goes. This is me dimming it. And the one thing about these bulbs, as you can see, I'm touching them, they don't get hot. I'll explain why. That's one of the reasons why I picked this particular mirror from this brand, because the other brand, their light bulbs are hot to touch, and here my room is not that big, so I didn't want my vanity light to, you know, produce a whole lot of heat. This room being small, it can get really hot. And then, you know, of course, with me using my other light bulb, so as you can see, I'm touching it and it's not hot at all whatsoever, and that was a selling point for me. And then here on this side, this is what I really love, you guys. You have a feature to plug your phone, like your phone adapters, and then your plugs. So yeah, like I was saying, I meant to say USB port, like where you can charge your phone, but I have my watch charger here. So yeah, like say if you don't want to use the plugs, you can use your piece to your phone or watch or whatever. I don't think I will be curling my hair in this room, because I normally do my hair in the bathroom because hair gets everywhere. So I probably won't be using it for curling irons or, you know, blow dryers or anything like that. Here is the mirror, and again, you have a speaker here on this side. And now I'm going to show you that Bluetooth feature. Okay, so yeah, all you do is just press it like that. That's for it to turn off. This is to turn it back on. So I say you just tap it. I just had to get used to figuring out which way to tap it. You have your temperature. I don't think it's 77 in here, but again, I could be wrong. It's not hot. Like I said, it's 816 545. You have the name of the company here. Hook up my iPhone to the, so here's me pressing the Bluetooth feature. Oh no, what was that? Okay, so right here it says Reigncharm Pandora. Let's turn it down. Let's turn in the station. Okay, volume. Okay, that's playing from my iPhone. Okay, in order to touch, see what I was doing was pressing the arrows before I hit this, and when I was pressing the arrows I was actually switching stations. So in order to adjust the volume, you have to click on volume first and then adjust it from here. I know this light, this here is the temperature in the room, which says 75, and here, right here, you have your month and day, and then you also have the time. And yeah, you guys, I mean, look how beautiful that is. Of course, I'm not dressed. I didn't think I need to get dressed to put up a mirror. Of course, I wanted to share the beauty with you. So now what I'm getting ready to do is place everything back up on my desk area, excuse the mess, and I will let you see how everything looks once I am finished. Still not hot. That was, like I said, a selling point for me, because the other bulbs from the other brands, I heard they get really hot, and you don't want to be sitting at your vanity doing your makeup and sweating from the heat of the bulbs. And as you can see, 12 bulbs, I'm pretty sure it can let off a lot of heat. And this is where I put my clear cube, and as you can see, it's hanging off just a little bit, but since I have this here, it's going to hold it, because as you can see, this mirror does take up a lot of room. But that's okay, because again, I wanted a nice size mirror. I didn't want the small one, because it's like, you know, go big or go home. Because I heard a lot of people say, okay, I got the small, but I wish I would have got the big one. So I didn't want to take a chance of purchasing a small one to, you know, down the line be like, oh, I should have got the bigger one. So yeah, I will say it is a little bit, you see how much room that base take up in the back. And I was going to mount it, but the whole purpose of me not wanting to mount it is because I don't want to be stuck in a certain location. So again, I may keep it like this. It did take up, like I said, some room on my desk where I can't place my other mirror, but again, I have it down here, so again, when I need it, I can just pull it from down here and bring it up, because of course I don't do my makeup every day, so again, it can just stay down there. So yeah, I have, like I said, everything here, and then I also had to place like my eyeliners and eyebrow pencils here next to me in this little cart. Probably would have been nice if I could have got like a small Alex drawer, because then I could have put all this stuff on top and then place all of this inside the drawers. So maybe that may be something, that might be something I may look into down the line. But again, trying to do a beauty room, it can get really expensive. So again, I'm just trying to save money as much as possible. Yeah, you guys, this mirror here, I give it 2 big thumbs up, like 2 of these, because this mirror is beautiful. I mean, you can watch as many videos as possible, but actually getting it in your home and setting everything up is beautiful. I'm touching the lights, they're not hot whatsoever. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me push my chair in. So here's my chair all pushed in, so excuse the mess and excuse me. So again, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.